I think our record really doesn't show how we've really been in this conference because every single game we compete. I think that's what makes every year fun, and particularly this year because we've had close games. We've had times where it's been up and down with the top team of the conference.
There have been games where we haven't maybe brought the energy or had the execution, but they've been few and far between. Generally, our team executes the defensive and offensive game plans really well. For this team, it basically comes down to whether or not they hit their open shots, and I think the games that we've competed, we've won. Just looking at our last game against St. Oliphant, it was just fantastic. We did the things that we know we're capable of doing, and when we had the open opportunities to shoot the ball, we did, and we made them. So that has definitely been our key to success.
The work ethic on this team is really a special part of our team. We're not necessarily the most talented of the MIAC, but we always work hard, and that's like a really big testament to our program, our coaching, and then how we interact as a team.
They come each day, they do everything I ask them to do, they ask for more, so I've been really pleased with that, and I've just been pleased with the overall development. I think we've played better now towards the end of the season, so I like to see that improvement. Our younger players have stepped up, and our seniors are finishing strong. This
has been like a really special year because we've had 7 seniors, so it's meant a lot to us. We've all been together for 4 years, we've had hundreds of practices together, so we've gone through ups and downs.
Just the fact that all of us have stuck with this program for 4 years, and like everyone is going to off-season workouts, and everyone is like putting in the time in season and out of season, and I think hopefully that's spreading to the younger classes, and they'll keep doing that.
Our current players each will have different things that they need to work on. I think all of them can work on becoming more consistent shooters, and I think they all know that. Beyond that, they'll each have, we'll talk to each one of them about some specific things that they can help us with. I think we've got a lot of talent with our younger players. It's just a matter of them continuing to grow and improve their skills.
We've been trying to focus this year on like maximizing our minutes. So just, whether you're starting or not, I mean, if you're playing 30 minutes or 10, just go in and try to make a difference.
Obviously, with 7 seniors graduating, we've got a lot of open spots, and we're working hard to bring in a recruiting class that not only is going to challenge the current players, but that that are going to help us win games.
We want to win games. Obviously, that's our goal. Every time we hit the court, we're trying to win. But it's about so much more than the score at the end of the game. It's just about leaving it all out on the floor and working as a team and coming together as a unit. And I feel like we've done that this year, especially at the end of the season.